unbox my Hermes vintage find. Let's call my friend together. I'm so excited. I'm trying to call her on WhatsApp. She had better not spoil this my plan. Oh my god, she's not picking. She's not picking. I also bought this. I'll try one more time. Meanwhile, let me arrange myself. She's calling back. She's calling back. How are you? I'm recording you.
Okay, do your video. Bye-bye.
No. I want to tell you something. That's why I'm recording you.
What's that?
Wait. I was trying to unbox the thing.
Pick your call.
Okay.
You know, it's pick up time.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me get stand. What did you say?
I just say I'm sweating now. You don't see my face.
It's Dubai sun now. But it look really nice on you. You know, during summer, me, I don't used to do makeup because the problem is too much.
No, my skin is not doing well. That's why. If not, I'm not able to wear. Even it's only foundation I put. The foundation I make it very, very light.
Okay.
What are you recording for YouTube?
Wait 1 second. I'm not putting your face anymore.
Anything,
Guess what? Can you see?
No, the bag. Let me see.
Which bag? Which bag? Did you see a bag?
I can see a bag now.
Oh God, let me put you in there.
That bag, let me guess. I think it's that Chanel, that up and down bag.
Chanel?
Yes.
I don't know. We'll see. Are you ready?
Is it that one?
Are you ready?
Let me see. I'm ready.
Hold your breath, okay?
Let me see. Wait, the brown one.
It's cream color. I think it's not. It's beige.
Let me see it. I can only see
It's crocodile. Let me tell you.
What? Let me see.
I know you will open your mouth.
How did you bag this one?
28.
God. And crocodile leather is the best. I tell people. Like
This is
after
aged.
crocodile,
This is over 50-year-old.
lambskin. Over 50 years?
Yes, crocodile. From France, it just came.
Do you know this bag? I saw something like this for like $50,000 or so.
Yeah, Hamaliya, right?
Yes, it's always very expensive.
Yeah.
But why did the person sell it?
Because the grandma is dead. See my head. Anyway, I did not make up nothing. As I received the SMS, you need to see me as I jump up.
No, let me see. Open the inside, please. Yeah, Mama. Check downstairs or check here. I brought them upstairs. Check is in my office. Sorry. Oh my God. And the inside is clean. From up, very clean.
No, pen. The inside, there's pen writing inside, but I don't care.
It's fine. 50 years. What do you expect?
It's not sure. She said it's over 50-year-old because
Over 50 years.
she could see her grandma carrying it when she was little. But she's dead now.
Oh, that means that means they are using great quality for their bag.
Yeah.
I see the reason why people are always saying this in Malaya. It's always very expensive.
Yeah.
Because when I see $50,000, I'm like, why is it this expensive? Truly, it's worth it. Amazing bargain. Big bargain, 90 this one.
Yeah.
That means French website is better than Japan then.
Japan is more safe to buy things because you sure of getting 100%. But then again, if you see original, you will know it's original. This is the.
How do you know it's original?
This is the seal.
But this MS, you know it's original.
Yeah, this. Look at it.
Because yes, where it is. But they did not remove the plastic.
No, it's removed. There's no plastic inside. I'm just showing you the stamp. And when I bought this, I sent it for authentication. It's confirmed it's original. I will take this to the shop, the spa, by this time.
It's train. I think it's train. Train is passing, right?
No, it's bell. I think it's 3 o'clock already.
Is that how they ring bell in Italy?
Now, so every hour, every 30 minutes, until midnight, they stop until 8 a.m. again.
Why? I just pray.
Because the church is near to my house.
If you take it, they will just clean the leather, right?
Yeah, they will clean the leather for me, and then I want them to put another strap, because these days if you take your item to the shop, they will give you the option if you want to put another leather and change the handle. So I'll pay for them to change the handle for me and then put another handle. Show you another thing I got, but it's not so exciting.
That one, how much did you buy the Hermes?
Yes.
Bargain okay.
Very okay, very okay. I was telling my husband this afternoon, I wanted to get his reaction, but you know these men, they know how to fall our hand. So he told me he's busy, he's in a call. What happened? That he's having a meeting. I'm like, I want to show you something. So I just unboxed it and then sent it to him, like, this is what I bought. He was like, so what's so special about this? I said
You know, men, they are not like us. They don't understand. They cannot understand.
yeah, that bag I bought for him, I was telling you I want to sell, right? I've sold it.
Nice. Really?
Yeah.
And that bag is so good. I love the quality.
Yeah, I sold it already. So it was like, what's so special?
So you've been selling well now, right?
No, I've not been selling well. How many bags have I sold
So
so
you're
far?
posting them now?
I think I will be going live. I think I will be going live. The person that even bought that one is from YouTube.
Gone online for a while, sis.
The person that bought that one is from YouTube. She said she really liked it. How much am I going to sell it? So I'm like, this is the amount I bought it.
Well.
Yeah, I told her this is the amount I bought it, but if you, since you are my follower, tell me how much you can pay. She was like, can I pay this amount? So I'm like, okay. So after agreeing, I went to check how much. I was telling Sandra, it was like, so you sell it, you dashed your follower this bag. I'm like, I made money also.
But you made money.
Yeah.
But that bag, you can't see, is a rare one. That's why.
Yeah, it's vintage.
It's like a briefcase for a rare one. You will not find something like that.
Yeah, see the other thing I bought.
Will not carry it. Is this a leather? Is this for bag or belt?
Yeah, it's for bag. It's real crocodile, but it's not a top designer. It's Elisandra.
I don't see. Let me tell you something. One thing I've noticed about all of this design, you see some Italian brand, what's it called? Small brand that they use even great leathers for their stuff.
Yeah,
and
I bought it for this my bag.
Quality.
Instead of taking.
Wait, is this the MS you just showed me? This is another one.
No, this is another one. But this is not a mess. It's not documented, so I don't know what the person called for me. But this is handmade, no brand. I've been using it since how many years?
But you can see the leather. You see what I'm telling you?
Yeah,
but
this
you can
crocodile.
see the leather. The leather is it looks so high quality.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, that you will even see these brands that don't have name. They will give you a better quality than the ones that even have all of these names.
Yeah. And I've been using it for the past 6
if
years.
you not tell somebody that this thing is not like MS, people will not even know.
No, they don't know. They feel this is scary. What is the size of this? Let's compare. I think this is 35.
Even that your own, the handmade one is bigger than this one.
Yeah, this is big.
Look, and this is crocodile as well.
Yeah, it's crocodile. I bought it from one vintage shop. One time I and my husband came on holiday and I've been using it for the past 6 years.
I like it.
I used to travel with it.
I like it.
Yeah, thank you, my love.
I'm sure they will not even make it anymore.
No, this one they don't make it anymore. Because also there's no brand attached to it. But they said it's a single designer. He just made and crafted it. I use inserter inside.
This thing will enter itself. Laptop will enter it, right?
Yes, this one, laptop
yes, laptop
enters.
will enter it.
Maybe I will even sell it since I'm getting a mess now. And I'm not using it so much. Maybe I will sell it.
This one will be for a really good travel bag.
Yeah. And it's not expensive. I think I bought it around 200 euros.
Wow. But I like the leather. The leather is really good.
It's not expensive.
You're not selling this MS. Are you selling it?
It depends,
Or you
my
want
sister.
using it now?
I will be using
You
it.
better keep it. At least keep one for yourself because you know you have that black one. You remember that nice one that you saw?
I will be using it. If I get good offer, I will sell it. I have an inserter to put inside.
Oh, you've even put bag inside. Good.
Yeah. So it will help.
Yes, this is the size of the bag you gave me. This bag size is for bags like this.
But inside is because it's been locked in the closet for a long time, and the person.
Okay, just clean it and put it outside. You can clean it or put it inside the sun for the smell
to go, right?
To go.
I don't have newspaper. For put newspaper.
And you need to put something so that it will keep the shape.
You know, the way the person snapped it, it's like it's very bad condition. But looking at it here, it's not as bad as they advertise it. The only problem is the under.
They can do that for you when you take it to all this leather shop or you take it to MS.
It's MS I want to give it to, right? Although it will take.
They will fix it.
I thought it will take time, but at the same time,
it does not matter. Take it to them, let them fix it. You even by the time you want to sell it, you can make even like you are just buying.
Crocodile vintage Kelly 28. People call it Hamaliya, but I thought Hamaliya was supposed to have diamond in it. Let me know, maybe I'm wrong, but yeah. Excuse my face, no makeup done. Nothing, like nothing, just face lotion. But who don't find no wig as well. Oh my god, I forgot. But anyways, it's fine. She's pretty. Who don't find I'm pretty like this, following my African roots. All right, so now I have a strap to carry this my bag.